Hey, it's Matt from Converted Carts. I'm here with Mark from Mad Jacks, and we're looking at seats today. This is the Tsunami, and I got to be honest, as a reseller, dealer of Mad Jacks, we sell a lot of their stuff, but it's all online. And so this is actually the first time I'm seeing these things in person for myself. And I got to tell you, the photos that we have on the website and things like that, I don't think they do them justice. I mean, there's some patterns and styles and stuff like that are in these things that I'm seeing in person that I don't see in the pictures. But I think the big thing, at least when I'm talking to folks about these, is if you're looking for a seat that has a bit more flash, a bit more pop, these are this tri-color, so there's several different variations. We've got green and red and orange and blue. There's a couple of silver and gray different options, but this tri-color, we've got the outside, the strip in the middle, and then the actual pop in the middle is awesome. And tell us a little bit about the design of this one.
I think it's nice with these seats, especially being made right here in the U.S., right? So they pay attention to detail of what they want. It's really easy to just throw a bunch of pieces of vinyl together and say, hey, we got a really cool seat. But with the contour and the bolster of the cushion itself, then you start looking at the actual stitching, which is color matched to some of the color pieces to it. Also with the piping, I mean, it's just a small little upgrades.
Yeah, cell phone pocket up in the front, that kind of stuff. And then I think even headrest, right?
Yeah, I mean, just being a golf car, I mean, you forget that you can still make it look cool. Again, automotive, it's not a functioning headrest, but
Sure.
It just looks a little bit different, and it helps pop. I think one of the best things, and I don't know if most people know this or not, but not only are you going to get a plastic backing with the inserts that are molded into the plastic, even in the very back of it for the cushion. So no wood at all, so you don't have to worry about any wood rot throughout the years. So this is going to be a great quality product that's going to hang around and stand as long as your golf car.
For sure.